morning, students. Next topic is quadratic equation, class 10, chapter 4, exercise 4.1, NCERT page number 73. So, to start quadratic equation, first of all, we will discuss about the polynomial. So, what is a polynomial? Any algebraic expression containing variable x is known as a polynomial if the power of the single given variable is a complete and positive number. So let ax plus b be the any given algebraic expression where a and b are the constant and x is the variable. Then this ax plus b will be a polynomial if the power of x is positive and complete number. So here power is positive and complete number, therefore this is a polynomial. And every polynomial is always represented by px when x is the polynomial. So here if the highest power of the given polynomial is x, that is the degree of polynomial is 1, then such polynomial is known as linear polynomial. Now similarly, a polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where the highest power of the variable is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. So px will be ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial as its degree is 2, linear as its degree is 1. Similarly, a polynomial of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where the highest power of the polynomial is 3, then such polynomial is known as cubic polynomial as its degree is 3. Now, any given quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then this is known as a quadratic equation. So, the quadratic equation is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is known as a quadratic equation where a, b, c belongs to set of real number and a is not equals to 0. So this is the main condition कि any quadratic polynomial if put equals to 0, then ax square plus bx plus c बराबर 0. This is the format of an equation where the degree of this highest degree of this polynomial is 2 and put equals to 0, therefore this is equation. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. But b may be 0, c may be 0, but a will never equals to 0. So an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 where a, b, c are set of real number and a is not equals to 0 is known as quadratic equation or standard form of a quadratic equation. So now only on the basis of this format we will do the exercise first. In exercise first only we have to check that some algebraic expression in the equation form are given and we have to check that the given expression in the equation form are quadratic or not. So let us solve the question of exercise 4.1. First question, check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. So question number first part, x plus 1 whole square is equals to twice into x minus 3. What we have to do? We have to check that this equation is quadratic or not. So what we will do? In left hand side, a plus b whole square we will open. So x square plus 1 plus 2x. In right hand side, 2 will be multiplied inside. So 2 into x, 2x minus 6. Now x square plus 2x. This 2x will be cancelled out by 2x. So x square plus 1 plus of 6 is equals to 0. This minus 6 will be transferred in right side, then it will be plus. So x square plus 7 is equals to 0. Here, if we compare with this, if we compare with the standard form of quadratic equation, then ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 7. So it is quadratic equation as a is equals to 1 is not equals to 0. कि यहाँ a की वैल्यू 1 है, अगर a की वैल्यू 0 हो जाती है, in that case it will not have quadratic equation. Okay, now question number second part. Similarly, we have to check x square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So we have to check it is quadratic or not. So first, x square minus 2x is equals to minus of 6 plus of 2x. Now see. We will transfer right hand side in left. So x square minus 2x plus of 6 is equals to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now if we compare with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 implies that a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c is equals to 6. So it is quadratic equation as a is equals to 1 is not equals to 0. So please pause the video and note down. Question number first, part 3, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. First we have to find the product in left side and right side. So x into x square plus of x minus 2x minus 2, right hand side x into x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. This x square will be cancelled out by this x square. So x minus 2x, that is minus x minus 2, right hand side 3x minus x, that is 2x minus 3. Now we will take all the term in right side. So minus x minus 2x minus 2 plus 3 is equals to 0. So minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here this can be written as 0x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So here on comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is equals to 0. देखो coefficient of x square क्या है? 0. So it is not a quadratic equation because in any given quadratic equation, a never can be 0. So that is the condition. A should not be equals to 0. Here a is equals to 0. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. वैसे भी यहाँ लिख सकते हैं which is a linear equation. So which is a linear equation. Linear है, it means ये quadratic नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि इसकी सबसे बड़ी पावर 1 है. क्योंकि अगर पावर 2 होगा तभी ये quadratic होगी. Next question number 4. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equals to x into x plus 5. So this is the given equation. Now we have to check whether it is a linear equation or quadratic or cubic. So let me multiply x into 2x square, x into 2 plus 1x minus 6x minus 3, right में x square plus 5x. Now 2x square इस वाली टर्म को लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे, माइनस x square, x minus 6x minus of 5x and this plus 5x राइट में आएगा, minus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now 2x square minus x square, x minus plus of x square minus of 10x minus 3 is equals to 0. अब देखिए, this is the quadratic equation and we will compare with the standard form. ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 10 and c is equals to minus 3. Here a is equals to 1, not equals to 0. So it is quadratic equation. So please pause the video now. Question number 5 of first part, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to x plus 5 into x minus 1. So let us multiply first 2x into x, 2x square, 2x minus 3, that is minus of 6x minus x plus 3 is equals to x into x, x square minus x plus 5x minus of 5c. This is the quadratic term, 2x square minus x square, then minus 6x minus x minus of 7x minus x plus 5x, 4x राइट में ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो minus of 4x, and this is the plus 3 and minus 5 राइट में लाएंगे तो plus 5 is equals to 0. Now 2x square minus x square, that is 1x square minus 7 and minus 4 minus 11x plus of 8 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation as coefficient of x square is 1, not equals to 0. So on comparing with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, a is equals to 1, not equals to 0, and b is equals to minus 11 and c is equals to 8. So it is a quadratic equation. Similarly, let us see question number 6. Question first, part 6. Sixth one is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 whole square. What we will do, in right hand side a minus b whole square अपन open करेंगे. So left में क्या है, x square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to x square plus 4x minus of 4x. This x square will be x square cancel out because अगर इक्वलिटी के दोनों साइड में सेम साइन सेम टर्म है तो अपन डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. आगे देखिए 3x plus 1 और इधर 4 minus 4x, तो लेफ्ट में 3x है, राइट के minus 4x को लेफ्ट में लेंगे तो plus 4x हो जाएगा, plus 1 ऑलरेडी है, minus 4 plus 4 इधर आएगा तो minus 4 is equals to 0. देखो 3x plus 4x 7x minus 3 is equals to 0, which is a linear, which is linear equation. linear क्यों? क्योंकि x की सबसे बड़ी पावर 1 है. क्वाड्रेटिक कब होती है? अब इसको क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मेट में लिखना है तो कैसे लिखेंगे अपन? 0x स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं प्लस ऑफ 7x minus 3 is equals to 0. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से कंपेयर कर दे, ax स्क्वायर plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 0, so it is not a quadratic equation. So please pause the video and note down. Question number 7. Question first का 7 part. The left hand side is x plus 2 whole square. Right one is 2x into x square minus 1. What we will do? Left में a plus b का whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab 4x is equals to 2x को x square से 2x cube minus of 2x. Now see all the term if you will take in right side तो अपन क्या हो जाएगा 2 minus 2x cube plus x square plus of 4x plus of 2x plus of 4 is equals to 0. क्या किया अपन ने इसको राइट से लेफ्ट में ट्रांसफर किया माइनस 2x क्यूब हो गया पॉजिटिव से ये प्लस माइनस 2x इधर प्लस 2x हो गया राइट में x स्क्वायर था प्लस 4x था और प्लस 4. Now see minus 2x cube plus x square 4x plus 2x plus of 6x plus 4 is equals to 0 which is a cubic which is cubic equation. Cubic because highest power of x is 3. Cubic equation. Okay. Now eighth part is again see x cube minus 4x square minus of x plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 का whole cube. X minus 2 का whole cube. A minus b का whole cube. A cube. ठीक है. आप देखिए कैसे ओपन करेंगे x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. देखिए अगर आपको डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं आता तो x minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर इनटू x minus 2 भी कर सकते हैं. आप देखिए ये क्या होगा a minus b का होल स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. सो ये माइनस 4x हो जाएगा. इसको फिर से x minus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो ये हो जाएगा x क्यूब प्लस 4x माइनस 4x स्क्वायर plus of minus of 2x square minus of 8 plus of 8x. So finally it will be x cube minus देखिए this minus 4 x square and minus 2x square minus 6 x square then plus 4x and plus 8x that is plus of 12x. So this is 4x and it is 12x minus 8. So this is a minus b का whole cube. And left hand side में क्या है x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Now this x cube will be cancel out. So we will take now all the term in right side. So minus 4x square plus of 6x square then minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 is equals to 0. So minus 4x square plus 2x square 6x square 2x square minus x minus 12x minus of 13x plus 9 is equals to 0 which is a quadratic as we compare with the ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 13 and C is equals to 9. A is equals to 2 not equals to 0 so it is a quadratic. So please pause the video and now done.